Hi everyone, Jan Arnold here, and today I'm going to be sharing my top tips and tricks for fabulous summer nails. Summer means more vitamin D, which accelerates nail growth, but there's also an increase in exposure to the elements like salt, sand, chlorine, of course the sun. These are all factors that can break down the nail. So it's essential to care for and protect your nails, which is easy to do with CND's 3 C's. The first, care for your nails with cuticle eraser by gently exfoliating those cuticles. And don't forget to moisturize dry nails with Rescue RXX. It smells good too. Second, condition your nails and the surrounding area with solar oils, lightweight yet penetrating oils. And lastly, don't forget to coat your nails with the right coating just for you. Whether that's CND Vinylux Longwear Polish, CND Shellac Gel Polish, or your favorite nail enhancement to seal in moisture and keep nails tough and, of course, beautiful with glorious color and magnificent shine.